Hello everybody! In this tutorial, we want to learn the pattern and swing of pockets in the cut. First, we draw the initial pattern, which is better to use the dartless one. I draw a straight line from shoulder to bottom of the pattern because I want to give my dress a princess cutting. From the waistline, 5 to 7 centimeters coming down, and design the pocket crater curve. And also coming down about 17 to 20 centimeters from the pocket crater and design the pocket bag. This is how the pocket crater and the pocket bag were designed. Now we should copy the pocket bag and the cut of the left side. I use parchment paper to copy. First, we should copy the left side cut with the pocket bag. And make sure to specify the waistline on the copied pattern. At last, copy the pocket bag. Now it's time to cut the left side piece that we copied and throw it out because we don't need it anymore. Just be careful that we cut it from the pocket crater line and we keep the pocket bag. Also, I cut those two pieces of the pattern that I copied and make it ready to cut on the fabric. These are 3 pieces of the pattern that I cut on the fabrics. This is the pocket bag from a different color of the fabric so that you can understand when we sew it. And here are 2 pieces I prepared. Here the left side will be under the bigger cut. Now I will separate the pattern from the fabric to explain its sewing to you step by step. But before I take the pattern off the fabric, I should determine waistline on both cuts so that when sewing, I can put these waistline marks on each other. For the first level of stitching, I'll put the right side of the pocket bag to the right side of the cloth and sew the crater pocket line. After sewing it, we should do small cuts on the curve seam that we can easily turn it to the back of the cloth. For fixing it, we can also put the extra seam to the pocket bag and sew it. Now I turned it back to the cloth and iron it neatly, then press it with cold iron. After sewing the pocket bag, we should put both cuts on each other. Right side of each cut should be on each other. Make sure waistline marks on each other and then pin 2 pieces to fix them and not move while sewing. We just need to put the bottom of the left side cut to the pocket bag and actually the bottom part is not stitched in the cloth at all. If you are beginner, baste the seam and then sew it with sewing machine. As you see, the pockets were stitched like this. This part will be stitching in the side seam and will be fixed. This is the pocket in the cut after sewing that I ironed it very neatly. And you can see back of the cloth. For ironing very easily, you can make a small cut here to iron it so easily. I hope you like this tutorial and bye till the other tutorial.